How to fix Google Play Store bug on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Play Store bug on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and then click apps again, and here type Google Play Store and click on it, and now click force stop, and then go to storage, clear cache, and then click clear data, and now go to permissions, allow all of those permissions here, and after that just go back and go to Google Play Services, go to storage, clear cache, and make sure this one right system settings it's enabled, and then restart your phone and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just clean some space and try again. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.